How long were these racks on this freaking car? You know what's so weird? It seemed like rubber was coming off of them. I don't even know if it was. I don't think it was that deteriorated. Or was it? I think it was just like dirt built up over the years. And it like formed a gasket. I'm not really sure. It's not an Audi one or anything like that. But I tried all my keys. Because believe it or not, there's only so many keys for racks that actually work. And I did not see a, what do you call it on it? I did not see a code. I made a mess. For these keys, I was trying to I didn't break it though. I just wiggled it off and managed to get it out without destroying it or anything. Not that it's OEM or anything like that, but I don't know. I kind of like the rack on there. I am probably going to buy a B6, B7 rack, but I would definitely keep it for my RS4. And they're a little pricey, you know what I mean? I got tons of racks, as you can see, already for all the vehicles. So, yeah, I'll definitely invest in one of these too. Not bad after a first wash, you know what I mean? Hey, this car was sitting for quite some time. It does look really good. Of course, it needs a compound and wax, you know. It's looking mighty RS4-ish to me. Kind of liking the black. Oh, I love black cars. They are the hardest to keep, but they do look the best. And this car really has pretty nice paint considering all the trauma it went through. And it's definitely a nice vehicle, sharp looking. You know, it's one of those things where I'm like, oh, you know, do you keep it? Do you sell it? I don't know. It really does, for what it is. You know what it is with me? If I have something that's perfect, I will not drive it. And I've done that many times over the years. So I have that issue where, yeah, the imperfections bother me. That's where my eyes go right away. But at the same account, and mileage too, like this has 158. Where am I going? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't matter. The mileage is already there. If I had an RS4 and it's got like under 100, I'm never going to drive that car. You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to have to baby the crap out of it. It's one of those things, like it does get into my head. Even with the S6, my S6, I don't drive it because it's got 94,000 miles on it. I don't know what to do. You know, that S4 outside is definitely not perfect. It's got 89,000 miles on it. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I think all these numbers get into everybody's heads. And it does do it, you know, it takes its toll. It really does, you know. I don't know. I don't know if I'm like got OCD, being a fanatic or whatever it is. I guess I'm definitely not the only one out here. You know what I mean? A lot of people are just like, oh, just drive it, just drive it. Yeah, I agree too. You should drive them. I mean, you know what it is? You're damned if you do, and you're damned if you don't. Check this out. Look at the difference. Ugh. And I was like, wow, this car looks so good when it was washed. But yeah, you know, a lot of haze in there. Hey, this car is not going to be perfect, but not for nothing. It's going to look damn good from this distance. You know what I mean? It's still got the scratches there. I'm going to keep working it. But, hey, whoo, already got people interested on this one. And I don't blame them. You know, it's hard not to fall in love. I'm going to tell you. All right, making my way around. I'm probably just doing this half of the car pretty much. Then I'll do the rest maybe tomorrow. Here's the haze, as you could clearly see. It's not 100% here. I only hit that once. Some residue. But it is coming along. This has some bad water spot. I mean, come on, the car was outside forever. I mean, this hood's never going to be perfect, unfortunately, but... You know, the other thing is, too, I'm only using compound. I haven't used my other stuff to give it some more depth and everything else. But for the most part, looking pretty damn good considering how neglected this poor car was. You know, it's very lucky to be within my ownership right now. So that's the thing.